Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to the farm. So I want you guys to go with me and show you what I do like on the weekend when I'm not like working at the gym or training people, teaching classes. So yeah, welcome. Let's go to the farm. Can you imagine someone going to the farm with an Audi? That's the life of America. So let's go.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running into better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running into better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running into better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running into better times, to 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 better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night.
Guys, I'm done with my farm work. It was super intense, and it took me I think almost 2 hours to clear everything so you guys can see around here. So all that, and there's that big container outside, so I was digging all the roots out. So yeah, this was my project for the weekend. For those guys who think like, we can't do anything outside, just like, very PC at the gym and all that. I grew up in the farm where you had to dig like 1 acre of land. It go take care of like coffee, tea, corn, sweet potato, Irish potato, so all kind of farm stuff. So I know very well how to take care of the farm. And today I was feeling excited and going for it. No pre-workout, just tea. And I ate some chapati that I cooked yesterday with stew. Super good. Next time I'm going to make a video of like how to cook some chapati and stew, and which kind of flour that you can use, especially here in the US. So yeah, so much fun. Now I'm going to shower, take my car to the car wash, and then go for my massage. I wish I can film my massage so that you guys can get to see how I get like deep tissue massage. It's not just like the normal massage. It's more like deep tissue. I want my veins to work very well and all that, and I think as a personal trainer that's the best way to take care of yourself, especially now that we are working out every day, torturing our muscles and all that. So eating well, making sure that you get good massage for good blood flow in the body, and also going for like self-care. Go for like the hot tub, the sauna, cold plunge, and all those things to kind of feel good about yourself. So please, if you're new here watching this video for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to Atita Fitness, and I will see you on the next one. I will see if I will be able to film some massage. See my gumboots, they're all dirty.
Empty chair across the table, echoes in the room.
Hey guys, we are at Crescent City, going to the Trees of Mystery. I am very excited to show you guys around, so keep it here. This is the Pacific Ocean, as you can see. Let's go, Trees of Mystery.
And I've been waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, I promise I will hold on.
Yeah, it's here.
Arrived.
Did you know Trees of Mystery has been a beloved roadside attraction since 1931? Located in the heart of the Redwood Forest along Highway 101 near the Oregon-California border, originally created to draw attention to the beauty of the redwoods. This unique destination has grown into a full experience blending nature and history. Visitors are greeted by the towering statue of Paul Bunyan and Babe the Blue Ox, symbols of the American logging legend. Over the decades, it has added features like the SkyTrail gondola ride, canopy trail, and the end of the trail museum, which holds one of the largest private collections of Native American artcraft in the country. It's more than a tourist stop, it's a walk through culture, mystery, and some of the tallest trees of Earth. Whether you are a local or just passing through, Trees of Mystery offers a memorable adventure for all ages. Go check it out!
Summer is always surprising me in just a bit. It's mid-July, then it's gone, and I haven't moved on. Summer is always confusing me. Honestly, I thought I'd feel warm, but I'm cold. It's getting old. I've said so many times, when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time. I'll be ready for it all. But then suddenly it's fall. Next summertime, when I find myself, I'll be better off than last year. This time I'll be fine, I promise. Fine, I promise. Next summertime, when I find myself, I won't turn around, I'll dive headfirst into the deepest end. I'll face all my fears.
Take a booth and you pay with the person behind it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. This was scarier than I thought. Hey guys, I think you guys should come check out the Trees of Mystery. This is what you should expect when you come here. Yeah, the way.
Oh, this is huge. I didn't realize this was so big.
Okay, well, Mom was very much much into Native American artifacts and history and culture. And such a not one of their people.
So guys, when you come to the trees of mystery, these are the things that you should expect. Seeing the trees, seeing the history of the trees. I've seen a lot of trees that have been here for the past 3,000 years ago. So yeah, just come check it out. I think it's worth your time for sure. Can you see this tree seeing something like this? So now we're going to the sky trail. Let's go check it out, and I will let you guys know. I will show you along.
Summertime, summertime, when I found myself, I'll be better off than last year. This time I'll be fine, I promise. Fine, I promise. Summertime, summertime, when I found myself, I won't turn around, I'll dive head first into the deepest end. I face on my face again.
Guys, so today we are at the trees of mystery, and I want to tell you something very important. So these trees don't catch fire because they hold a lot of water, and I want to show you, like, there's a lot of water here, like too much water. So that's something new I learned today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe for Tita Fitness.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Oh, I believe in you.
your mind.